This video I'm gonna show you how to clean all the dirty. This one right here using purple. So let's begin. As in using this purple, like you can buy it per store, probably $5, $5 to $10 a bottle, and then you can clean the interiors if you want to. There's all the stain, the black stain, everything. It will come out. First you have to spray it on and let it sit for like about 5 or 6 seconds. See all the dirty like that. And then you see dirty like that, you get a clean one, clean towel, and clean it. See, it's gone right away, fresh right away. See, no more stain, dark stain. And you can do the rest of the panel inside, like for the interior. Look at this black thing. You see, it's shiny and cleaner. Let's see, black one. You see, like all the black stain. You see all the black stain here. Clean it all. It's gone. And spray some more if you like. I put a purple in the bottle, spray part over here, so you can spray it. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Peace. Bye.